The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Today is not only hump day, fellas, it is FOMC. Thank you, Dennis. Sight and sound is good. Eric, guys, good morning. Andrew, good morning. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Yesterday was kind of a good news, bad news session. The bad news, of course, was that trading was extraordinarily difficult. The good news was the original bot had a hell of a day. Although the 21 consecutive days over $1,000 is broken, the NASDAQ bot still finished up 600 and change. So in any event, I expect that today could be similar. We're dealing not only with FOMC today, but we're also dealing with split volume. Please note, I have rolled to June. I am trading June in the indices. The good news there, at least, is that volume in June is above our average. There was a huge sell that just came in here, 400 contracts, one block of 359, one block. So interesting, huge trade, especially at 8 a.m. or in that 8 a.m. candle. So volume is good, even given split volume. So we'd be higher than normal if you add, March and June. But the June volume is over our normal average of 68,000 contracts when we come in. In any event, for those of you that are interested in trading FOMC, I've not done this in a long while. I will keep the room open today. So I'll take my normal break about 11. Markets will get quiet. I'll take my normal break about 11. I'll leave the room open. And if anyone wants to trade FOMC, be back by 10 to 2 or so, 5 to 2. The probabilities suggest that there will be little change, if any, in the statement and no rate cut or hike, that the Fed will stand pat. So I think that if there's going to be any crazy movement, it will probably be more likely that it happens during Powell's press conference. If he's dovish, we go up. If he's hawkish, we come down. I don't think he'll be hawkish. That's an opinion. And I do think that we are setting up for longs. Again, I could be totally wrong. We trade what we see, not what we think. I will continue to run algos today, and I will continue, obviously, to run the original bot, the NASDAQ. My goal will be the same, $1,000. And gold. Today is crude inventory, so I generally don't trade crude on inventory day, but I will run the gold bot, which is not taking a trade. It's not on yet, so it doesn't come on till 9. In any event, let's get at it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. I mean, we bounced off VWAP, which is par for the course. Okay. I've had enough of the NASDAQ in the last yesterday and one trade today. I've had enough of this NASDAQ. $26 buyers. I'll cover it on a day, Kevin, when there is an opportunity to do it. All right, guys, I've had enough of the NASDAQ. I don't care what this does. $100 I can get back. This is just annoying as hell. Gold. Got target 1, just missed target 2 by 3 ticks. Let's see what we got here. Not a lot. This is going to get taken out. Not a lot going on here, guys. Really no change. This is kind of looking like another relatively putrid session.
Stop filled.
All right, up 230. Anybody have any questions, guys, before we go? I haven't seen Greg, so I'm guessing he's not in today.
Order submitted. Target filled.
There it is, target 1.
Canceled. Order canceled.
Hit target.
Order canceled.
Hit target 2 did not fill.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay. Small win. 64 target.
Order filled.
64 target was hit.
Order filled.
Order filled on what? Oh, I got target 1 on copper, guys.
Order filled.
Target 1 on copper is hit, and the bot is short again. Anybody take copper? Okay, yeah, I got 1 left. If this can bust below 450, I'll take 1 off there.
Order submitted.
If I can get it, it'll be a big trade. NASDAQ's doing the same garbage we saw yesterday. If this breaks below this 42.50, it's going to get dusted. I tried this short twice. I got busted in the mouth twice. I told you they sold them. It was all selling on the way up.
Target filled.
All right, there's target 1. Come on, break down. Going to be out.
Stop filled.
Out. Up 380. Just freaking zero momentum, guys. Here comes copper. Missed by 2 ticks. I don't have a CL bot. I don't trade crude really on inventory days anyway. We finally broke down. 16 quarters where it's coming. And then 01. We're coming down to flat on the day. The bot is done for the day. NASDAQ is done for the day. It's over 1,000, guys. Doop-de-doo, doop-de-doo. 550.
Target filled.
There it is. Up 21.15. Done for the day.
Sold.
All right, target 1.
Order canceled.
I'm done. Up 190. I'm done. Today is not the day. It's coming to 35, guys, and then 03. It's coming to 35 and then 03. I'm going to give totals as of now and wrap it up for the morning session. All right, guys, so here is the algo. 3 of the 4 algos are green and off for the day. The 500 tick up 190, 3 trades, 2 winners. Algo 3.1 up 130, 2 trades, 2 winners. What does that tell you? First target only, not getting anything, no volatility. Algo 3.3 up 100, 2 trades, 2 winners. These are all off. I will not trade these anymore. Although they trade till noon, I've shut them off in light of FOMC. The only one that I'm going to leave on is Algo 3.2. That's down 580. I don't think that this can trade itself out of it unless somehow volatility picks up in the next 65 minutes. I don't see it happening. The original bot, gold up 230, and NASDAQ back on its win streak of days over $1,000. Yesterday, the streak broke, and today we go over $1,000 again on 3 trades, 21.15. So we start a new streak. I mean, from a discretion. Come on, let's go. Don't do that. Come on, buyers. Look at this. There we go. All right, target 1 is off. There we go. Anybody long?
Order submitted.
I move stop to 77.75. $77.75. 79 half stop now. Locked in about 16. Next target up will be 10.
From Wall Street Journal's Tim Morelos on X, Fed officials marked down their forecast for GDP and
Order
up their
filled.
forecast
All right,
of
I'm
inflation
out.
and unemployment, but
Order
almost all of them
canceled.
see the risk